In this video, you'll learn how to create and use a Phantom wallet to deposit Solana. By following these steps, you will successfully set up your wallet and receive SOL into it. Start by installing the Phantom extension for your web browser. Phantom is compatible with Chrome, Brave, and Edge, or you can download the mobile app for iOS or Android. Visit the appropriate store for your device, search for Phantom, and proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, you will see the Phantom icon in your browser's toolbar or on your mobile device. Next, open the Phantom application or extension. If you are using the browser extension, simply click on the Phantom icon to launch it. If you've installed the mobile app, tap on its icon to open it. Once the application is open, you'll be presented with an option to create a new wallet. Click on the button labeled Create New Wallet. After selecting this option, the system will prompt you to write down your 12-word recovery phrase. It is essential to write this phrase on paper and store it securely, as it is crucial for recovering your wallet. Do not take a screenshot of this recovery phrase, as digital copies can be compromised. Once you have noted down your recovery phrase, you will be asked to create a password for your wallet. Choose a strong password that you can remember, but is difficult for others to guess. After entering your password, your wallet will be ready for use, and you can proceed to the next steps. To deposit Solana into your Phantom wallet, first open the Phantom application again. You will see the main interface with several options. Click on the option labeled Receive. This action will direct you to a screen where you can select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Select Solana from the list of available cryptocurrencies. After making your selection, you will see your unique SOL deposit address displayed on the screen. Click on the Copy Address button to copy this address to your clipboard. This address is essential for receiving SOL, as it directs the funds to your Phantom wallet. If you wish to send SOL to your Phantom wallet from an exchange like Binance or Coinbase, navigate to the withdrawal section of the exchange. Locate and select Solana, known as SEL. When prompted, paste your Phantom deposit address into the relevant field. Make sure to double check the address for accuracy to avoid losing funds. Choose the network option as Solana, ensuring that the transaction is processed correctly. Finally, confirm the withdrawal. Depending on the network and your internet speed, it may take a few moments for the transaction to be processed and reflected in your Phantom wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.